What's up, guys? Welcome back to a shitty YouTuber named Kaius Henning, or aka Yanolution. Today we're going to be watching a new video from the guy that made the Backrooms. Or just the guy that made a Backroom video. I think he's one of the originals. I don't know. But as you can see, this is his first video, 62 mil. And then here's the video. It says I watched it, but I just clicked on it and I barely watched anything. I don't even know what happened in the first scene, which is just this. Alright, November 14th, 1989. The year that my stepdad was born.
Tuesday? Yeah. It is incredibly cold. Hopefully by the time you're watching this, I actually have a decent heating
Do I have my thing on?
That would be nice.
Dude.
Die of hypothermia.
I'm gonna leave that shit on. I cannot hear what they say.
Hello, camera.
Hello, camera. Hello, camera.
10-4.
10-4? So the normal Backrooms. I don't even know what the title is. I saw this video and I immediately. Man. Oh. Is that a picture? Yep. So they look like they're switching out the tiles. Is there supposedly something up there? Like,
there's no insulation on top, and I'm seeing a bunch on the floor above.
The floor above.
There's ventilation as well. You see that? You see the vents?
Yeah, it goes around the back to the right.
Some of it's insulated, I think.
We then attempted to cut power to the nearest fluorescent light fixture, a standard troffer. However, we were unable to isolate the power source, and the conduit remained live, despite the absence of any visible external power supply. The source of electrical current remains unknown at this time. Using an insulated toolkit, we carefully isolated the light fixture from its electrical conduit, extracted the troffer from the ceiling, and transported it back inside, back to standard for analysis. And a 0.5 meter sample of conduit was also taken, with all exposed wiring safely secured afterwards in the ceiling. So the ceiling tile extracted measures 1.27 meters by 1.14 meters, which is certainly not standard, but it's composed primarily of mineral fiber. It seems normal in composition, has a fissured texture with mild tegular edges. So after initial analysis, the composition of the tile estimated is around 60% mineral wool, which is fibers of amorphous silicate, usually derived from the thickest
I don't know what we're
slag.
looking at.
Around 20%.
Is that like a close-up of the tile? Like, what's going on?
Which is primarily of silicon dioxide and aluminium oxide, and the rest is a undefined mixture of silicate material, some starch, latex polymers, and some organic fibers derived from plant materials. So the wiring connected to the fixture is PVC insulated copper, which appears standard again. The prismatic diffuser over the bulbs is made of polymethyl methacrylate, which is again commonly used for its light diffusion properties. I mean, it's what we have in the building here, very standard. But we also inspected the ballast, which is of the electromagnetic type. There's some variation in how they're being manufactured now. This one contains a laminated steel core and copper windings designed to operate at 60 hertz. So the ballast emits a prominent 120 hertz hum. This seems to be the case for the majority, if not all, of the lights in the complex that we've assessed thus far, mostly just through simple curing. But this is due to magnetostriction and core vibration. But the noise may be exacerbated by loose lamination plates or degradation of the insulating potting material over time.
Maybe it's because I watch so much YouTube that, like, it just gets too boring. Maybe that's why I enjoy gaming so much. But if you guys want me to, I will play the Backrooms. And very soon I will be playing the Baby in Yellow or something of the name like that. Very soon I will be playing that. I don't know if it's going to be a short video. I don't know if it's going to be like an hour-long stream. I just know that it's a video that I'm going to be making soon.
Definitely an indication that this has been running for a little bit. I mean, despite its age, the ballast is functional. Its large proportions suggest it was built for a non-standard space, not something you'd find in the majority of offices or most commercial spaces, though that's not something I'm too familiar with, truthfully. Now, we did find, so material compositions all seem expected, or we don't know what to expect here. They seem, everything we've looked at so far, again, this is rudimentary early testing, but everything seems pretty congruent with what you might expect from one of the troffer lights you could pull out of the ceiling in this building right here. So nothing too strange, but that maybe makes things even stranger. Because we look at these lights, and let me see. So several labels were marked on various components of the troffer, 3X 432, and that was manufactured in 1973 in Reading, Pennsylvania, and it is UL listed. And the bulbs were manufactured by Sylvania, and they're marked F40SW, that's soft white, with no visible date information. It's left blank, but it is noted as made in the USA. So, I mean, though outdated in design, the fixture appears fully functional. The stable operation of all light fixtures in the subdivision points to a continuous, potentially autonomous power source, which still remains unidentified. We're doing what we can. The materials used are durable with minimal visible wear, suggesting they were built for long-term, possibly indefinite use. So this concludes the initial findings. Further investigation is necessary to determine the source of power standards.
Alright, well that's the end of the video. If you guys want to see me go live on Twitch, just type in my YouTube name or my rapper name. Honestly, either one is gonna work. They're all the same names, so just type one of those in the Twitch. You'll find me. Follow me, and I will be going live randomly. It really depends, but if you really want me to go live, just type in the comment on the YouTube video and just ask me to go live. I'll go live as soon as I see it, or specifically ask for a date, and I'll be gone on the 8th of October of 2024 if you are. So in 4 days I'll be at a juvenile camp, so I will be seeing you guys. I'll be live throughout these 4 days, so have a nice day, and that's it.